Hey there, all you cool cats. Here are the morning slides for Tuesday, April 14th. Please remember that these should be your best friend. All of the questions that you have can be answered mostly in this video. Of course, I will still be available via chat if you do have additional questions. The first thing you need to do before even moving forward is pause this video and click your daily check-in for today, Tuesday, April 14th. This is going to help me take attendance for the day. Okay? Next, you can go ahead and read today's morning message. You can also greet somebody at home with a lion roar. And there's a jungle brain break. This is kind of very similar to like the Cosmic Kids Yoga. It's the same woman. It's just much shorter. Okay? Let's move on to the next slide. This has today's daily agenda listed on it. For math, you'll be doing At the Box Office, day 2. For reading, you have a video today, and your job is to create subtopics for the topic you chose in yesterday's reading survey. In writing, you're going to reread the dot, only today you're going to focus on character relationships. There's a video for that as well. If you so choose, you can do an optional science or social studies activity today. The one that I proposed was watching the video for science and doing some of the designer dog worksheets that I do know one of you did yesterday. Today is also Silly Hair Day. Even though we're not at school, we can still have fun and find different ways to stay motivated. So if you want to put a million scrunchies in your hair, or spray your hair a different color today, or put your sister's bows in your hair, whatever you want to do, make your hair look silly, make it look crazy. I also attached a video here for the Crazy Hair Day book, if you'd like to watch that on YouTube as well. Please send me your pictures, and I'm happy to share them with the class tomorrow so that we can all kind of get a smile from it. All right, first slide up is a reading. Again, our goal for this week is to research a topic, which you chose yesterday, identify subtopics, and take notes while reading. Just in case you forgot what your topic is, if you go down 2 slides to slide 6, I have listed them for you. These are the topics you chose on yesterday's survey. Don't worry if you don't see your name on my screen, because this is just currently the data that I have from you guys filling in the survey yesterday when I made this video. So I will update it for you guys. Okay? So, first thing you're going to do is watch this video, which is going to be very helpful. Miss Weisbrod made this video for you. It models using the topic penguins and how to read a book and pull out different subtopics, which will be your goal today. You will need to create different subtopics for today. So you'll click only on the collection for the topic that you chose yesterday. Again, I can't stress enough, you're sticking with the one animal topic that you chose yesterday. I am asking you to pick at least 3 subtopics. The video you're going to watch might have 4, but you are only required to do 3. You can do 3. You can do more than 3. You cannot do less. Here is a sample of what the organizer looks like that Miss Weisbrod uses. You can click here and print out a copy for yourself, or you can just do this on lined paper or in a notebook at home. The penguin subtopics that are going to be found in the video are penguin diet, habitat of a penguin, penguin colonies, and appearance. Here's me and my pal. Tomorrow, I'll use these subtopics to research even further, and you'll have another video on how to take notes within each topic. But for now, you're just finding the big topics that you really want to focus your research on, and use the table of contents and other text features the way Miss Weisbrod does in her video. We are going to move on to math today. First things first, you will need to print a copy of today's inventory sheet for day 2. There is a helpful video to review how to use the fraction circles on ConnectEd. This video is also linked to the Royal Cinema slides, which you will open here. Okay? This is very similar to what you did yesterday and should be pretty easy. As you've been doing, please continue to have your parents email me a photo of your finished inventory sheets. Moving on to writing. Today in writing, your main goal is to focus on the relationships between characters. Are they advising each other? Are they sidekicks? Are they challenging each other? Is the relationship positive or negative? First thing you need to do is please watch this video. I recorded yesterday how to do this, how to remind you using our characters in Because of Winn-Dixie. Then you have your dot story, and you're going to continue to take notes on character relationships. This is the second square. Again, the way to access this, if you want to do it online, is Google Classroom. This is the only thing you have to leave these slides for to access, just so you have your own copy. Of course, you can do it on paper as well. Last but not least, you have your optional science and optional, if I can click it, social studies activities for the week. Please use those links, use those videos as well, but that should help you with reading, writing, and math for the day. Please make sure if you have any questions that you ask or check back at this video.